I think this is one of the biggest reasons people don't grow on YouTube, and I don't think it's what you might think. It's not the thumbnails or their editing, it's not even their ideas most of the time. It's this, they just don't give it enough time to work. When we start a YouTube channel, we all have this quiet expectation. Not instant success, but some traction happening, some kind of sign that we're on the right path. You see, you post 5 videos, nothing happens. You post 10, still quiet, but by 20, you're starting to think, all right, is this actually working? And that's where things start to slip mentally. You see, there were points where I genuinely thought for myself, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. Even when I was showing up, even when I was trying to improve with every video. And looking back now, it wasn't that I was doing everything wrong, it's just that I hadn't done it long enough yet. This bit is hard to accept. YouTube takes longer than you think. Not just a bit longer, but a lot longer. And I don't think people are prepared for that, because all you see online is success stories. You see, you scroll through YouTube and you see channels blowing up left and right, fast growth, viral videos, and it creates this false timeline in your head where you think, this should be happening sooner. Why couldn't this happen to me? But you're not seeing the full picture. You're just seeing the results, the highlight reel of these people who've been grinding potentially for years with absolutely nothing to show for it until then. You're just not seeing any of their build-up. So let me ask you this. Are you actually failing, or have you just not given it enough time yet? Because those two things feel the same, but they're actually completely different. What growth actually looks like on YouTube a lot of the time is it's not going to be linear. It doesn't just go 10 views, 50, 100, 1,000. Every video you get more views. It looks more like 10, 4, 1, maybe 20 on the next one, nothing. And then suddenly something will start to move. And if you quit right before that moment, you're never going to see it. Most of your progress happens before the results show up. You're getting better all the time. Speaking, structuring, editing, your hooks are getting better. You're understanding what works. You're iterating videos that did a little bit better than the last ones. But because the views aren't there yet, in this massive swing of magnitude that you expect, it feels to you like nothing's happening. There's always a time gap on YouTube between your effort and your results. And that gap is longer than most people expect. And that is the uncomfortable truth about YouTube that a lot of people don't ever tell you. So people quit too early because they measure their progress too soon. They'll look at their views, subscribers, and growth in the first 5 days and go, what the hell's going on? Instead of just looking at what really matters, which is the skill, clarity of their niche, and iterative improvements across videos. And when the external stuff doesn't move, they just assume that it's not working. So there's something that helped me with this, a perspective shift, if you will. I stopped thinking how long until this works, and I started thinking, how long am I willing to do this for? And that's a very different question, because one puts pressure on the outcome and the other gives you back control. You see, if you decide, I'm doing this for a year minimum, something will shift inside you. You'll stop overreacting to every video. You'll stop checking your views constantly. You'll stop refreshing your analytics on YouTube Studio all the time, and you'll just focus on trying to get better. And weirdly, that's actually when you'll start improving pretty much immediately. Every video builds on the last one then, if you're iterating, getting a little bit better each time. Even if it doesn't feel like things are getting better, they are. You'll get slightly better each time in each video. And those small improvements, in my opinion, really do start to add up. Until eventually you become noticeable. This is the bit that feels slow. You're not stuck, you're just compounding your gains. It just doesn't feel like it yet because you can't see the progress. I see this all the time with people on YouTube. They'll quit after 10, 20, 30 videos because they think, YouTube is against them, the algorithm hates them. But then the next video would probably be the one that would have got 1,000, 2,000 views, and then you could have iterated and improved from there and things would have started to happen. It's not because they couldn't do it. It's because they ran out of patience with themselves. The thing about YouTube is it's a filter. It's a time filter. It removes people who expect quick results, can't handle the slow progress, and don't trust their process. And what's left are the people who grow, the genuinely good channels who keep on iterating and getting better. And I know waiting is hard. Not knowing is hard. Putting effort into something with no guarantees is very difficult. And I'm not trying to pretend that it isn't, but that's also why it works so well. So what helped me stay consistent myself? I stopped trying to win quickly and focused on, can I just keep going? I made myself a schedule that I could do and I stick to it. And it helps. It really helps. It was very simple. Not easy, but it is much more simple. You need to give yourself enough time to learn and improve, adjust, and figure things out. Give yourself enough time to iterate. Give yourself 50 videos and then see where you're at. Not just enough time to see if 1 or 2 videos pops off in your first 5, because in reality, that's probably not going to happen. You don't need more talent and you probably don't need to have better ideas. You probably just need some more time. It is a dangerous thought to think this isn't working. That thought has stopped more channels than anything else out there. 99% of channels that could have been made never got made because people just went, I can't do this. And most of the time, it's wrong. It was just too early for them. So if you're showing up and you're improving and you're trying to get better each video, you're not failing. You're just in the part where it hasn't paid off yet. And that part, it lasts longer than people expect. But if you stick at it, if you give yourself enough time, things will start to change. So if you want to understand exactly what you should do during this time to speed things up, that's exactly what I wrote down in this little video here, because time alone isn't enough, but time used properly, that's what turns effort into real growth.